Hey there, so I'm back again with another video, and today we'll see what is the difference between equals and double equal to in Java. Okay, mostly we use equals and double equal in different use cases, so we'll see when to use what in Java. So double equal is an operator that we use to check the reference and address comparison. It doesn't compare the values, whereas equals we will use for content comparison. For example, in case of a string, when we create a string literal, if the value is same, it belongs to the same space, same memory space. But when we create with new string, it gets created at the new memory location. So if we'll use double equal to, in that case it will be false, and if we'll use dot equals, then it will come as true. So let's see here with an example. So here I had created two string literal s1 and s2, both has value a, so both will point to the same memory location, and if I'll use s1 equals to s2, then that will returns to true. Even if I'll use s1 double equal to s2, that will also return true. Here I have created another string s3 equal to new string a. Now that will get created in separate memory location, and string s4, which is small a, that will also get created in separate memory location. So you can see s1 equal to s4 will be false, and s1 equal to s3 will be true, because equals check the equals typically check the values. Okay. If we'll see the Java API, you can see that equals compares the string to the specified object. The result is true if and only if the argument is not null and is a string object that represents the same sequence of characters. It checks character by character for the object. Let's do some programming here. So here I have I'll just compare string and integer both. In case of integer, I had created one int a and int b, both our values are same. Let's see if we'll execute it, what it returns. It will return true. Okay. Then if let's check this with string. So I'll give the value hello, and string b will also be equal to hello. As I said, when we'll compare, as I said in the beginning, that when you do double equal to, it check the values, and here string literal, as since both points to the same memory location, it will check the whether a value of a is equal to b, because both will point to the same memory location. Okay, now it is equal, but if I'll do new string here, and for this also new string. Now both these objects, since every object gets created separately in memory, so if we'll see whether the objects are same or not, no, it's not equal, because both points, even though the values are same, but both points to different memory location. But if we'll use dot equals, which checks the values of the two objects, it will return us that it is equal. Okay, that's the, so we understood when to use when to use double equal to, when to use equals. There is also one method, compare to and equals ignore case. Both of them, these can be used as well to check. If we'll use still it will be equal. So we understood today what is the difference between double equal to and equals in Java, and when to use what. I hope this explains. This is the simple concept in Java, when to use simple double equal to and when to use equals. So I hope that helps. If there is any question with the viewers, you can write in the comment box. Thank you so much.